Hello and welcome to your very own channel, The Official Money Pill. Are you guys looking for easy ways to make money on Twitter? Then you have for sure landed on the right video. Twitter is one of the most popular social networking sites and a fantastic tool for marketing with millions of active users. However, many marketers currently use Twitter to generate revenue, so it might be challenging to separate from the hive. The joyous news with the appropriate approach: you can quickly increase your Twitter marketing and start earning money. Twitter is like a double-edged sword. You can either use it to argue with random strangers, or you can use it to get smarter, healthier, and wealthier. And that's what we're here for. In this video, we're going to show you our secrets to help you make money on Twitter right away. Step 1. Create an account on Upwork. The first step begins with creating a free account on Upwork as a freelancer. One thing that is to be cleared right away is that in this video, we will be focusing on Upwork. However, you can use other freelancing platforms that are available on the internet as of now. If you already have an account on Upwork, that is a plus. If not, then chill out. Creating an account on Upwork isn't a great deal, and you are supposed to complete this part super quickly because this is probably the easiest yet obligatory step. Let's just wrap up the account creation of Upwork in a few seconds and proceed further. Number 1. Go to Upwork.com and click on Sign Up. Number 2. Sign up using your work email address, Apple, or your Google account. Number 3. Add your personal information. Number 4. Start your Upwork profile by telling us about your work. Number 5. Highlight your educational background. Number 6. Highlight your past work experience. Number 7. Add your language proficiency. Number 8. Set your hourly rate. Number 9. Indicate your title and overview. Number 10. Add a profile photo and contact deals, and there you go. Creating an account on freelancing platforms requires similar information. So don't be stressed out and don't waste long hours developing the account only because there is a lot more to work on yet. So better stay with us. Step 2. Apply to social media jobs on Upwork. After you are done with creating an Upwork account, you will search for social media managing services, and not surprisingly, you will come across a massive amount of people willing to offer their social media management services for a good amount of money. The fact that they are certainly managing the accounts manually doesn't sound cool, because you will be amazed to know that you can automate the social media account management for various platforms involving Twitter. Getting excited? Well, you should be, because at the end of this video, you will learn the automated management of social media accounts. So don't get distracted. Stick around. Step 3. Sign up on PhantomBusterBot.com for quick automation. PhantomBusterBot, also known as the lead generating tool, is a pretty cool website. However, it is not very well known to the public, but only a very selective community of online income earners. So why not have a brief intro on this? PhantomBusterBot is a website that collects valuable data from various social media apps, including Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and other internet platforms, to assist organizations in automating sales and marketing procedures. Email address extraction, divergent data gathering, document extraction, IP address extraction, image extraction, phone number extraction, online data extraction, and pricing extraction are some of PhantomBuster's key capabilities. Users can plan and set up triggers for various behaviors, such as automatically following profiles, liking posts, sending personalized messages, accepting requests, and more. Team members receive messages from PhantomBuster via emails, Slack, or the application regarding various automation. The platform provides pre-built templates that let marketing managers create. In your case, you will simply go to the PhantomBuster and get a free account. Click on Phantoms, and further you will select Twitter there. You will have a few other options as well, but here we are focusing on Twitter right now. Further on the next page, you will come across a vast amount of what we call phantoms that you can run on any selected social media account. If you have a following excellent on your Twitter, you will directly run a message sender phantom. Whatever business you will be dealing with will have some sort of following, so that may not be a big problem. Moreover, then you will go to your Twitter account and grab a link to your name, or basically your Twitter account. Now, after getting your account link, you will go to PhantomBuster and feed it there, and link your Twitter to thephbot.com. After linking up, this tool will gather your followers in a single place. The reason for doing this is that you will need this data to feed it into the other device that is coming up in the next step. Step 4. Grab the link to the follower spreadsheet and go to Phantom Buster Bot. After the gathering process is done, you will then copy that link to the spreadsheet visible at the right bottom of the page. Copy that link and then go back to Phantoms, and this time you will select Message Sender Phantom. However, one weird thing is that you have to connect to Twitter again, as this operates as a separate tool. Now you will paste the spreadsheet that you created using the previous device. Then you will send 10 messages. Don't worry, you will be sending 1,000 messages daily, but you can only send 10 at a time. The cool thing about this tool is that it lets you specify any part of the message that you wish to modify. Now is the time that you pull out your services or affiliate into the messages that you are just starting to send. In this way, you will be able to send thousands of messages daily. Besides talking in detail about your service or affiliate, whatever you are aiming to promote, you can additionally add the link to that product or tool as well, because this will help the message reader to directly click onto the link and see what you are offering. After creating a message, you will save it, and the next part will be deciding the frequency the messages is to be sent to the follower. One thing that can be problematic is the messaging limit of the platform you are using to send messages. But in this case, it isn't a problem because Twitter allows us to send 1,000 messages daily. Step 5. Sit back and watch as automated messages are being sent. Up till this previous step, you have done the complete automation of sending messages to a large number of the Twitter account that you follow or follows you. You can use this technique to promote your tool, affiliate, or service, and you can also use this technique as a freelancer by offering social media management services on different platforms. Once you get an order from there, you can just take that and automate the whole process. Pro tip: even though this is an automated service and you have a significantly less role to play, do keep in mind you have to monitor the messages being sent and other steps that you have automated. Don't do anything. Just keep an eye on it so that if there is an automatic change in the behavior of automation, you will be there to fix it before it ruins a lot of things. This error is significantly less likely to happen, but if you have missed out a step or two, then these errors can occur, so stay very vigilant while automating and keep an eye out on what's going on, even after the automation is done. Be flexible. In the Twitter knowledge field, you can promote a variety of items from various providers. Before committing to developing your own items, you might consider using promotion of other products as a safe first step. Therefore, you should proceed and bundle your information to sell when you find that you have a lucrative audience who resonates with the things you advocate. Utilize affiliate marketing as a tool for marketing research to discover which value creation channels are more effective. Then take it a step further by developing your own product. We are aware that there are other ways to start making money from your Twitter account, but that is all we have for the moment. But in our opinion, the steps and techniques mentioned above are the ones that may be put into practice straight away for all kinds of accounts. So that was it, guys. That's all for today's lesson in this video. Reach out to us in the comments section to tell us how helpful was this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Official Money Pill, for more online money making videos with most accessible and most remarkable techniques available. See you in the following video. Thank you.